हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप आप सबको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है। इफ़ एनीवन इज़ हियर विद अस राइट नाउ, अगर आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं प्लीज़ गिव अ थम्स अप और लीव अ कमेंट। हाय, दिस इज़ भाग्यश्री एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल बग स्टिची एंड थैंक यू सो मच अगर आप सब आज मेरे साथ संडे 4 बजे बारिश के मौसम में जुड़ रहे हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस। सबसे पहले आई वॉन्ट टू विश एवरीबडी हु इज़ ज्वाइनिंग इन हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे गाइज। थैंक यू सो मच। हाय माधुरी, हाय जूही, ऑल ऑफ यू आई वांट टू विश सबसे पहले हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे। आई नो कि कई सारे लोग फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी होंगे एंड आई नो कि कोविड के टाइम में थोड़ा कईयों के प्लान भी कैंसिल हुए, जैसे कि मैं घर पे हूँ। बट आई थिंक बीइंग ऑनलाइन इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू कनेक्ट विद ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स। जितने भी दोस्त हैं सबको आई वांट टू विश थ्रू दिस प्लेटफॉर्म and I really hope that this friendship stays together always, और हम ऐसे ही किसी भी कोने में हो देश के यूं ही कनेक्टेड रहें सोशल मीडिया पर। एंड आज का ये लाइव भी अगेन इज़ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल, क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी है जो थोड़ी देर में इनफैक्ट आने वाले हैं। आप जब इनको देखेंगे तो शायद आप में से कई लोग उनको रिकग्नाइज कर पाएंगे बिकॉज ही इज़ सेलिब्रिटी नाउ। एंड मेरी उनकी फ्रेंडशिप स्टार्ट हुई थी जब ही वॉज वेरी वेरी यंग। ही वॉज स्टडिंग मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड आई मेट हिम व्हेन ही वॉज एन इंटर्न एट अ न्यूज़ चैनल वेर आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. So this bond goes that way. Though we were in contact, we were through contact through social media. I changed my city and he is from Kolkata, but the bond is there and I'm so glad कि वो अपने busy schedule से time निकाल कर live पर आने के लिए तैयार हुए. I'm very very happy that he could be here. So he'll be joining in some time and I'll be introducing him to you. Hi Neha, hi, happy friendship day. I hope आप सब ने आज अपने फ्रेंड्स को ज़रूर विश किया है and I am so glad to have so many friends right from my childhood friend, my besties, right from class KG, Priyanka, and then Keshav, and then I have so many friends, Madhuri, and there are endless list, Akanshi, all of them. So I think I cannot just list a few, and I'm glad and I'm lucky to have one of my besties as my life partner. So this is something friendship is something that has always been part of my life right from the beginning till now, and I'm happy that I could sustain that somehow. थैंक यू नेहा एंड विश यू द सेम. आई होप अपने फ्रेंड्स को ज़रूर विश कर रहे हैं अगर आप नहीं भी मिल पा रहे हैं. हाय इंस्टा गाय क्रिश. सो इन अ वाइल माई गेस्ट फॉर टुडेज लाइव विल बी हर. एंड सबसे पहले बिफोर ही कम्स इन और हम उनके बारे में बात करेंगे, आई वॉन्ट टू इन्फॉर्म यू गाइज अबाउट समथिंग. सो मैंने कुछ दिन पहले एक पोस्ट शेयर की थी अबाउट graphy.com. उस पर एक वेबसाइट है जो कि मेरी वेबसाइट है. सो डू चेक आउट. इसका लिंक जो है मेरे बायो में मैंशनड है. सो दिस इज़ वॉट आई वॉन्टेड टू ब्रीफ यू लिटिल बिट अबाउट इट. सो आई एम होस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ सेशंस एंड वर्कशॉप्स ओवर देयर. जो पहला सेशन है दैट इज़ ऑन 3rd August विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म. सो कोई ज्ञान की बातें ज़्यादा नहीं होंगी. आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेसर और नॉट अ ज्ञानी अबाउट इट, बट जस्ट बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म, हाउ आई स्टार्टेड एंड मैंने कैसे ऑप्शन लिया इसको, किस तरह से ट्राई किया, वेयर आई लैंडेड. सो इट विल बी जस्ट शेयरिंग माई एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड मे बी अगर आप स्टूडेंट है मास कम्युनिकेशन के या आप बनना चाहते हैं स्टूडेंट, जर्नलिज्म पढ़ना चाहते हैं एंड आप सोच रहे हैं कि कैसे इसको फिगर आउट किया जाए, सो मे बी दिस सेशन कुड बी ऑफ हेल्प टू यू. आपको कुछ आइडिया मैं दे पाऊँगी. एंड थिंग्स are gradually changing, and of course post during this COVID time a lot of things are changing. The admission process, the procedure of studying and everything. So yes, adapting to that, a bit of pros and cons of this career and क्या कुछ आप इसमें कर सकते हैं और directions क्या है. So everything about that we could be sharing and you could be getting a lot of insight about that on this session. सो जो ये सेशंस है graphy.com पे विच आई एम होस्टिंग, आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. आपको जस्ट सब्सक्राइब करना है जिसका लिंक मेरे बायो में दिया हुआ है. आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है एंड आपको उस पर सारी डिटेल्स हमेशा मिलती रहेंगी। जो भी सेशंस होंगे, आगे भी जो सेशंस होंगे उसकी डिटेल इस पर आपको मिलती रहेंगी। इस पर पेड सेशंस भी हैं और आगे इस पर फ्री सेशंस भी होंगे। सो यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप अ टैब ऑन दैट। अगर आपके किसी नोन में आपके कोई फ्रेंड है, कोई जानकार है जिनको जर्नलिज्म और मास कॉम और रिलेटेड टू दीज और भी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पर हम सेशंस करेंगे, सो यू कैन एक्चुअली सब्सक्राइब माई वेबसाइट, जिसका लिंक आपको मेरे पेज पे मिल जाएगा। सो डू चेक दैट आउट, ओके, एंड लेट मी नो व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट इट एंड वील स्टार्ट ऑफ विद दैट। लेट्स सी कि हम इस पर कैसे काम कर सकते हैं। सो द लिंक इज देयर इन माई बायो, सो यू जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक एंड यू विल गेट द डिटेल्स। एंड इफ यू हैव एनी अदर क्वेरीज, आप मुझे डायरेक्टली DM कर सकते हैं पेज पे एंड मे बी आई कुड हेल्प यू आउट। सो जस्ट लेट मी check if my guest is here for today. So talking about my guest, he is one of the most awarded, stylish young wedding anchor of India, and superbly talented. Let me tell you कि he hails from Kolkata, my city, and very young, enthusiastic youth icon, as I say him always. He's a Indian MC, he's a TV presenter, he's a fashion and lifestyle influencer, and he has been awarded most stylish male anchor by many renowned brands. He has worked with a lot of big brands. He has also won Rubaru Mr. India Face of West Bengal 2020. Yes, so he is a fashion icon, he's a youth icon, he's one of the most celebrated stylish wedding MC in India, established from Kolkata, and I think for many corporate and wedding and sports shows, he is the number one choice, and definitely he is hugely appreciated for his brand endorsements, and the brands approach him for their promotions. So he has been doing this, and I knew him from his college days, not just being an MC, not just a lifestyle and fashion influencer. He is an amazing ballet dancer. Yes, मुझे पता है कि आपको ये सुनकर थोड़ा सा लगा होगा कि he यानी कि a male MC and a ballet dancer, but that is the thing that Ankit has. Yes, I'm talking about Ankit Shaw, and दिस थिंग मैं चाहूँगी कि अंकित आए और वो खुद बताए इसके बारे में। बट जब मुझे इसके बारे में पता चला था, जब उन्होंने खुद बताया था कि ही हैज़ दिस इंटरेस्ट एंड हाउ ही टुक अप दिस थिंग, इन फैक्ट ऑफ द थिंग कि अ गाय डूइंग अ बैले इज़ नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल, बट देन ऑल्सो अंकित डिड दिस थिंग एंड इट्स अ कमेंडेबल थिंग, एंड आई वॉन्ट अंकित टू जॉइन इन क्विकली सो दैट वो आपके साथ ये सब कुछ शेयर करें। एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि you all guys are joining in, and आप प्लीज़ कमेंट ज़रूर करिए। वी वुड लव टू टॉक एंड चैट कि फ्रेंडशिप डे पर आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं। आर यू हैंगिंग आउट, और या आप घर पे हैं वॉचिंग TV, चैटिंग अप विद फ्रेंड्स? सो लेट मी नो। हेलो मनीष जी, हाउ आर यू? So let me know फ्रेंडशिप डे पर आप सब क्या कर रहे हैं। Meanwhile my guest would be joining, and of course he's one of the most celebrated MC, so he will take a bit of time, I hope कि Ankit can join in quickly, and we could have chit chat with him, because I am super happy to see the kind of progress Ankit has made, right from a student to being one of the most stylish MC in India, and I'm so proud and so glad that I know him personally, and I'm so happy that he could take out time from his busy schedule and come here. And he was just 19. I remember when he started working, and then he started getting into news. And yes, Manish ji, thank you, I'm good too, and happy friendship day aapko bhi. Okay, so my guest, my celebrity MC youth icon is here. Hi Ankit, so good to see that you're here finally. So let me just ask him to join in. Hi Juhi, nothing, I am here right in front of the camera doing my live. So this is my plan. I just wanted to connect with everyone on this day, and we can have some chit chat over here. So Ankit, can you just come in the live room so that I could add you here? Because I'm not able to join you. Meanwhile he joins in. डू लेट मी नो आपके क्या प्लान्स हैं फ्रेंडशिप डे पर. आप लोग कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, या आप बाहर हैं या आप घर पे हैं, स्पेशल कर रहे हैं फ्रेंडशिप डे पर. बट हाँ, मैंने जो चीज़ की, मैंने सबको सोशल मीडिया पर विश ज़रूर किया है. दैट्स द थिंग आई हैव डेफिनेटली डन. एंड ऑफकोर्स पहले के जैसे फ्रेंडशिप डे अब थोड़ा मुश्किल है बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम एंड सिटी एंड लोकेशन एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बट आई रियली होप दैट हम सब अपने फ्रेंड्स के टच में हमेशा रहें. दैट इज़ वन थिंग दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज डू एंड कीप, स्पेशली दोज क्लोज फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ आप रहना चाहें, राइट? सो यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव दैट थिंग. ओके अंकित, कैन आई सी यू हियर? बिकॉज माई पीपल आर वेटिंग. So I'm so glad, Ankit is here. He is an amazing person, and an amazing personality he has. He's a TEDx speaker as well. So I think he has been doing great. And on Instagram, hi Ankit. I mean, I can't add you here. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Are you here? Hi.
I don't know, like what happened. Okay, with the
Can you hear
filter.
me? Not a problem. Can you
Hi,
hear
how
me
are
now?
you? I can hear
I'm
you.
good. I'm good. सबसे पहले happy friendship day यार.
Happy
Thank you so
Friendship
much for
Day.
coming live.
Thank you. I was having a technical glitch and I was trying to connect
Okay.
and nothing could just happen. So finally I'm here.
Oh, that's great. That's great. मैं अभी लोगों को इतना पका चुकी हूँ तुम्हारे बारे में बता के. So I know they want to hear from you. And सबसे पहले
जी.
प्लीज अंकित, मैं चाहूंगी कि जितने भी लोग आ गए हैं सबको हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे जरूर बोले, बिकॉज दे ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर यू.
Okay, so happy Friendship Day, everybody. And I have with me the most gorgeous and very talented journalist for years, for a decade. I think you've been in the industry, right? And
या
I'm really glad
काइंड
कि
ऑफ.
आज and I'm glad कि आज आपके साथ मैं live हूँ and it's मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है.
अरे नहीं यार, मैं आई मीन आई हैव नोन यू since you were, I think, 17, 18 in your college days, and
Yeah.
I remember meeting Ankit as an intern. I just started working, fresh
Hmm.
graduate, and he was there, this shy little boy amidst all the girls, and he was there as an intern, I remember, and we
Yeah.
instantly chatted off. And I think from that time हमारी बात होती रही है social media पे. Then I moved from
Right.
Kolkata, I came here in Delhi. But I think we always had that contact through social media. So that is great thing कि
Absolutely.
हम contact में रह पाए.
जी and
So
thank you so much.
yeah.
बट इतने सारे लोग हमें ज्वाइन किए तो हाई टू एवरीबॉडी. आप भी हाई बोल दो सारे सभी लोगों को.
Yes. Hello everyone. And I'm thankful to each and everyone. संडे की दोपहर 4 बजे सबने टाइम निकाल कर हमारे साथ लाइव में जुड़ रहे हैं. सो आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आप सब आए हैं. आई एम सो हैप्पी.
Okay. All right. Or
या
Bhagwati is, she's going to ask a lot of questions. I'm gonna be happy to answering all of that. And you all also
यस
can drop your questions. आपको क्या बातें
यस
करनी है? We all can have a chit chat.
Yes, absolutely. That is what I want. No ज्ञान and nothing. I want कि सबको interact करिए, drop your questions, and you want to ask this youth icon sitting in front of me anything, you're open to ask about his girlfriend, about his friends. We're going to ask everything today. So you have to be ready and prepare
Sure.
for that, okay? No hiding
Absolutely.
today anything. So
Absolutely.
Ankit, मैंने already लोगों को बता दिया that I have one of the most stylish awarded MC right here with me in live. and you're such a young age, इतना कुछ कर लिया यार, being a fashion influencer, working with top brands, going to outside countries, working with so many brands, working for the events. कैसा फील होता है? इतनी सी कम उम्र में सब कुछ कर लिया है, कैसा फील हो रहा है? पहले ये बताओ.
So Bhagyashree Di, I think life had been very beautiful to me. Whatever I wanted,
Yes.
किसी ना किसी तरीके से भगवान ने सुनी है और हर तरीके से मेरे लिए भगवान रहे. I always call myself I'm a God's child, and they have been
Absolutely.
so kind. Everybody, जितने भी इंडस्ट्री के लोग थे, मेरे कॉलीग, and what I learned in life,
Yes.
it's all a gift.
राइट. सो अंकित, यू स्टार्टेड आउट इतना यंग, स्टार्ट किया आपने बिल्कुल कॉलेज के बाद में. यू वेंट इनटू चैनल एंड देन
आवाज के
इनटू
आगे पीछे
इवेंट्स.
something.
सो कैन यू हियर मी? हेलो. आई थिंक आपका
I
वीडियो
think
थोड़ा सा
there's
अटक
a
रहा है. अब
network
आपको
glitch
आवाज आ
from
रही
your
है?
end. I
माय
get
नेटवर्क
your
इज
voice.
गोइंग
मुझे आ रही है आपकी
फाइन.
आवाज.
ओके, ओके. सो अंकित, इतना यंग स्टार्ट किया आपने, एंड
अच्छा.
आई रिमेम्बर वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो मैंने लोगों को बताई है, दैट यू यूज्ड टू डू, एंड आई हैव सीन आप अभी भी बैले डांसिंग करते हैं, व्हिच आई रिमेम्बर दैट टाइम वाज समथिंग not acceptable for a boy to do. So I want you to talk about it. Okay, I think.
Okay. So I think there's some glitch that he's facing. He'll be right back. And I'm so glad. Hello, Samod. Hello, Arjun. Junction House. Hello. Hi, everyone. So good कि आप सब join कर पाए हैं. And I know कि आप सब अंकित के friends, fan रहे हैं. Hi, Sandeep. I see a lot of people. Nora. Okay, Vishal. Jatin. Okay. YB, Alvin, Ritu. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Hello, everyone. I wish all of you a very happy Friendship Day. Dari, okay, Ravi, Ranjita. I could see a lot of people. Thank you so much. Right, जुड़ने के लिए. Ankit will be right here. I think he's facing some internet glitch, but he'll be back again. But thank you so much. आप सब join कर रहे हैं आज हमें on this very very special day, Friendship Day, which kind of we are celebrating and connecting. So अगर आपके कोई भी comments हैं, queries हैं, please do drop in, and if you want to say something, if you want to ask something, please do drop your message over here. Hi Mohammed Saif. Thank you so much for joining in. I think Ankit will be right back. Let me just invite him again. Hi Salil. Hello Aman.
Happy Friendship Day to all of you. I think he's back. Is it okay now? Kuch network problem?
Yeah, there was a network issue, so I was like, कि क्या हुआ? So I just wanted to just come back
Okay,
again.
not a problem. Live में ये सब होता रहता है. We all are used to it, Yes. I think your video got stuck. No, okay.
I think वापस से हो रही है वो issues.
No,
I
I can see
actually
you
क्या है
fine.
कि
अब आपका वीडियो भी
your
क्लियर है.
voice is coming आगे पीछे करके.
Oh, why is that happening? No, I have my
Sort of.
Wi-Fi, I have my hotspot, everything is. Is it okay now?
अच्छा ठीक है.
Can you hear?
Let's just try that way. I think your video keeps on pausing.
Yeah, the same I could see in your video. Okay, a lot of people joining in. Hello, hi Ravikant. Hi, a lot of people. Rachel, August. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining in. So good to see you. I would love to see all of your comments. And I wish all of you. Hi Pooja. So I think there's some glitch. Hi Rushika. Hello. I think there's some glitch that we are facing. So I hope Ankit will be right back. And meanwhile, you can drop your comments and if you have anything to ask him, today is the time. Is it fine now? No, you can't hear me? Okay, hi Manas, hi Prince, everyone.
Okay, I think, hi Prince, hello. Hi SK, Panache. Okay, hi everybody. Thank you so much for joining in. Tanveer, hello. Official. Okay, Manas, hi. So I see a lot of people who are joining in. Thank you so much. At least I could like wave back to all of you. And I think Ankit will be right back. Hi AR, FP. Okay. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Ankit to be back. I think he is facing some internet glitch and I hope he could be here soon. But in the time, अगर आपकी कोई भी comments है, you want to say about Friendship Day, what all you guys are doing, please drop your comments and your messages. We would love to chat and read about it. So क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग Friendship Day पर? Are you guys celebrating or are you guys at home? Just like I am. So hello Raman, hi. Thank you for joining in. I don't know, I'm not able to wave at everybody, though I'm trying to. So there's some problem, I guess. And I hope it could be back. So yeah, I mean, there's some network issues that he is facing. Hi, Bunny. Hello. Hello, Sneha. Happy Friendship Day. Ankit, are you there? Can I like add you? So I think Ankit is facing some serious glitch. Let me see. Yeah, sure. Okay, Ankit. So he just messaged that he's joining in 2 minutes. Okay, so meanwhile, let us just have some chit chat. What are you guys doing for this Friendship Day? And how are you guys? Are you guys safe? Keeping up? Following all the norms? I hope कि कोविड के टाइम को आप लोग सीरियसली ले रहे हैं एंड कई लोगों के सेकंड डोजेस हो गए हैं सो कीप अप द गुड थिंग हाय निखिल हेलो and I want to wish everybody who are joining in now happy Friendship Day. Thank you so much for joining in. And I have a very, very special person, guest with me on this live. That is the youngest, one of the most youngest and awarded and stylish wedding MC of India, Ankit Shaw with me. And I am so glad and lucky to know him since his college days. Okay, so yeah, you're just at home playing BGMI. Okay, okay. So Nikhil, I really don't know what is BGMI. Could you just tell me what exactly? I know it's some kind of game, but what game is it? So yeah, so just chilling at home. I think हम में से सारे maximum लोग शायद यही कर रहे हैं, chilling at home. I am just doing my life thing, and a lot of people are just like playing games, sitting at home, chatting with family. It's a Sunday evening. एंड कहाँ कहाँ पर बारिश हो रही है ये भी प्लीज बताइए आप लोग कहाँ कहाँ से ज्वाइन कर रहे हो सो कहाँ कहाँ पे ओके इट्स एन इंडियन पबजी ओके दैट्स ग्रेट थैंक्स फॉर द नॉलेज बाय द वे आई एम सो बैड इन ऑल दिस हाय दीपन ओके सो इज इट रेनिंग आप लोग जहाँ भी हैं इज इट रेनिंग डू लेट मी नो आप लोग कहाँ पे हैं विच सिटी विच प्लेस सो आई थिंक इट्स मॉनसून टाइम संडे इवनिंग Yeah, I think Ankit could be here in like 2 minutes. So till then, let's see. Okay, so I think he's here. Raining heavily, Nikhil. Okay.
In Haryana. Okay, great. Yeah, so Pakode time for you now. Okay, Ankit, problem solved.
Yeah, I changed my mobile phone, and I'm so sorry that
Finally,
it was such a trouble.
that's okay. That's okay. बारिश हो रही है क्या कलकत्ता में? पहले ये बताओ आप.
No, it is not raining. बिल्कुल भी नहीं, गर्मी है.
Okay. Oh, I thought it's raining and that's why there's some problem going on. Because I think a lot of people are here from different places. Haryana se hai and he's saying it's raining heavily in Haryana.
My God.
And in my place also morning it was raining heavily. Delhi is completely waterlogged.
अच्छा.
So yeah, so I thought, मौसम का असर है.
I think अब issues नहीं होगा because I changed my mobile phone.
Okay.
I'm so sorry that it was this issues, but now I'm back.
Okay. So back with that same energy, I think. So, Ankit, मैं जैसे वही पूछ रही थी कि you started off so early. So how did you get into, events and hosting and anchoring, how did you get into that? You were into journalism, I remember.
Yeah.
So why the switch?
So Bhagwati, that's a cool question. So hi everyone who all are listening to me. So who
Yeah,
all wanted to know about it. So here it goes. So basically,
that's
like
the time, yes.
yeah. So basically, I started with television as journalism,
Okay.
as crime
Okay.
journalism and cultural television. I worked for few,
Okay.
like you already know,
Okay.
we have been part of
Yeah.
one of those. And after that, like I got inquiries, I got invitations to host events for sports events, sometimes for wedding
Okay.
events. तो स्टार्ट
Okay.
एग्जैक्टली कैसे हुआ जब मेरी किसी फ्रेंड ने मुझे ऑफर किया कि उसकी बहन की शादी है, व्हाटएवर, तुम्हें
Okay.
कुछ नहीं करना है, तुम बस स्टेज पे आ जाओ, बस नाम ले लो.
Okay.
मुझे बहुत ही नर्वस हुआ कि मैं कैसे करूंगा, पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Yes.
देन आई वाज लाइक,
Yes.
अगर आज नहीं तो कभी नहीं, बिकॉज मुझे कभी ना
कभी
कभी तो
नहीं.
वेडिंग्स
True.
करनी थी.
True.
तो
True.
फिर मैंने कंटेंट यहाँ से जनरेट किया, वहां से जनरेट किया, यूट्यूब देखा, यहाँ वहां हर जगह से लिखा,
Okay.
फिर गेम्स मैंने सजाए. देन आई वेंट ऑन टू द
Okay.
स्टेज. चलो करना है, और उस वक्त स्टेज की भी फियर काफी थी, बट
हाँ.
बस करना था तो मैंने किया. लोगों को पसंद आया, अप्रिसिएशंस मिला. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे करके मैंने चैनल्स बनाए, मुझसे कई लोग कनेक्ट हुए, लोग मुझे मेरे काम को पसंद करने लगे, कुछ अलग मैं करने लगा. तो फिर चलता गया सब चीज.
Right. So I mean that has been the story.
यस.
बिल्कुल शुरुआत से. So एक और बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो मुझे याद है and I still see तुम्हारे पेज पर अभी भी मुझे दिखता है that you are a fabulous ballet dancer and I think India में people cannot connect a boy doing a ballet dancing. I remember those time that जब तुमने बताया था कि I do these things, but obviously ना लोगों के दिमाग में एक misconception है कि guy
Right.
doing a ballet dancing, it's all on the wrong side. But I'm so glad that you broke those things and you're still doing that. Hats off to you guys. Seriously, I want to
Thank
know
you.
about it and people should know about this.
So basically, before any profession which I've chosen, like emceeing and all of that comes really later. But for me, like I said, like I'm first stage son. So I've been on stage
Yes.
since my childhood, or my
Yes.
dance have been there. I have danced in IPL opening ceremony, sometimes World Cup, sometimes कभी कोई स्टेज शो हो गया. So I've been
Right.
doing all of that. एंड धीरे
That's
धीरे करते करते डांस में भी काफी लोग मुझे पसंद करने लगे. मैं बाहर बाहर कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए जाता था, लाइक फॉर एमटीवी, समटाइम्स स्प्रिंग फेस्ट, आईटी खड़गपुर. आई
right.
यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल टू
Right.
प्लेसेस. एंड बैले वाज समथिंग which people used to think as stereotype that it's made for women, girls only do
Right.
ballet.
Absolutely. Yes.
And when you
Yes.
are on
Yes.
toes, I'm not talking about people. थोड़े लोग सोचते होंगे कि it's belly. It's not belly.
जी.
I'm talking about ballet,
Ye-
which when you dance
Yes.
on your toes. So I started doing that, and after that, people saw कि yeah, this guy has the potential. In Kolkata, में there are very few of them who are so much trained in
Yes.
ballet, and then
Right.
things happened.
So उसको फिर प्रोफेशनली कभी कुछ आगे लेके जाने के बारे में नहीं सोचा?
Yeah, दीदी मैंने ये सोचा था कि
Oh, I think there's again some glitch.
मैंने ये सोचा था कि
Yeah.
बैले और कंटेम्प्रेरी इन सभी डांस फॉर्म को मैं प्रोफेशनली करूंगा. फिर मैंने बहुत
Right.
सारे जगह के संग कोलैबोरेट किया फॉर इवेंट्स एंड
Yeah.
शोज. लेकिन फिर मुझे लगा कि डांस इज देयर, इट इज गोइंग टू बी विथ मी फॉर एवर.
Yes.
बट
Of course. Of
बट
course.
जब जैसे जैसे समय बीतता जाता है, व्हेन यू ग्रो इन लाइफ, यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट
Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली यू वांट इन लाइफ. देन आई फाउंड कि मुझे
Right.
बहुत सुकून मिलता है जब लोग हंसते हैं मेरे बातों पे, लोग एंजॉय करते हैं. तो फिर आई वाज लाइक
True.
कि इवेंट्स और होस्टिंग इज समथिंग व्हिच आई एम मेड फॉर.
Right. So that is how you discovered that this is my place. and I think बहुत सही decision था because you are excelling in that, and
Yes.
I'm so proud that I know you personally and I've seen you from being a student to on the stage, and you have been rocking all the while. So it's
Thank you.
so
Thank you.
amazing, and I
And
wish
I'm
you
also
so
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 proud of
best.
you to the kind of woman you are. Like every time, like Nisha is also there. Bhagyashree Di,
Yeah,
after a
hi
long time, she
Nisha,
knows.
hi, good see her.
So me, आपसे से ज्वाइन करने से पहले ही निशा को मैंने फोन किया. Like she called me
Okay,
कि आज because we are best friends, so she was like कि
yeah,
इसे विश करना तो बनता है. तो she called me and wished me happy friendship day.
okay,
कल क्या तू प्लान कर रहा है? चल मिलते हैं कहीं. I was like let's see, मेरे घर की इंटीरियर चल रही है, फिर देखते हैं प्लान
okay,
करते. तो बोले तू तो हमेशा ही मना कर देता है ये वो ड्रामा. तो I was like I told her
okay.
कि भागवती के साथ हमारा मेरा लाइव है. बोले भागवती, अच्छा ठीक है मुझे ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. तो उसने अपने ऑफिस के समय से टाइम निकाल के शी इज हियर.
Oh, thank you so much, Nisha. How are you? Happy Friendship Day and your bestie. I know you guys are the best of friends. I've seen all your pictures and your videos, and your bestie is here, and he's like super celebrity amidst here, and I'm so glad. I'm feeling so good.
So much
And
of
like,
positive, so many
wow.
people who are there with
Yes.
us. Sneha Jha, hi Sneha, hi Ravikant. Ravikant is a very good person there. He's a good friend. There,
Okay. Hi, Ravi.
Adel is there. Rahul
Okay.
Makur.
I
There
think
are
Kanish.
so many of them.
Hello, everyone. Thank you
Abhilasha
so
also
much. आप
joined.
सब आ जाए हैं. Hi,
Disha
Abhilasha.
is
How are
there.
you?
She's also a
Good to.
fantastic
I can't see
writer.
you, Nisha, but felt so good, yaar, after a long time. So good.
Gupta Creations and Dimple, Atul.
Yes,
Thank you guys.
everyone.
आप
Thank you
सभी
so
ने join
much.
किया. Okay, Jatin. Oh my God, he's a fabulous friend. He's from Mumbai, and he's
Okay.
also a very good, coach. He gives a great
Oh,
coaching.
wow. Wow. I think the question's coming in for you. How can I have a feet like yours? Ankit, the court is yours, please.
So it's been years. Like I am using
Yes.
Instagram when I was in college in first year. So probably आज
Yeah.
मुझे हो गए 6-7 साल इंस्टाग्राम यूज करते करते. तो वो इनिशियली
Mm-hmm.
ऑडियंस बनते हैं, फिर आपके साथ जुड़ जाते हैं,
Exactly.
एंड दे आर देयर.
That's true. That's true. And I think COVID के time से social media has been flourishing, and people are like, it has been like the place to be, because I was not too much on social media. I was like थोड़ा
राइट.
सा backside थी. I was completely into my job and into my work and TV and everything. But I think gradually I'm like shifting away from there, and I'm into like digital things. So yeah, I'm started liking this place. I mean,
It's
I feel
great.
like I can talk and discuss, and I can do whatever I feel like.
Okay, so my brother Aman is also there. He's also from Mumbai, and he's
Okay.
one of the finest in the country stage presenter, and काफी अच्छा
Wow. Hi, Aman.
he
So good
hosts.
to see you here. Thank you so much. So good to see you. Thank you, Ankit, because of you, a lot of people are here and a lot of new people I could see and say hello to everyone.
Thank you,
So,
Aman. I'm
Ankit,
so blessed to know you.
um, yes, and your journey from stage, then I know you have been TEDx speaker. You were there in Rubaru, West Bengal, Mr. Face of West Bengal 2020. You
Yes.
won that. I've seen those pictures. So tell us, about those pageants that you have won, and the most stylish MC. There are articles about you I've seen. So tell us about that.
So Bhagwati, like you said, being the fashion, I have always wanted to be
Yes.
more into fashion. I never thought कि
Yeah.
मुझे fashion icon बनना है, मुझे ये करना है. Like
Hmm.
I've been inspired to many of the personalities. Like if I name a few, probably Lady Gaga is there. There is Christian Dior.
Yeah.
There is
Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra in the country, if we talk about,
Yes.
and Ranveer
Yes.
Singh. How can I forget him?
Of course.
So
Of course.
so I just get inspiration from these people, and then I try to bring out my own set of mindset कि मुझे कैसा दिखना है,
Right.
how I want to
Correct.
present myself to the audience. So all of these just happens when I think and sit कि मुझे आज event पे ये पहनना है, मुझे आज ये shoes खरीदने हैं, मुझे ये कपड़े बनवाने हैं. I design myself अपने कपड़े. So just like that.
So, तुम्हारे events में भी मैंने देखा है, each and every event that you host, a wedding event especially, because you are a specialist in that, the kind of attire you have, the kind of looks you have, it's very different from other, male MCs that I have seen. So, What is exactly? I mean, do you have a personal designer for that for sure? Because I can see your dressing up is quite different from other male anchors. Can you hear me? Uh-oh. Yeah, I could hear you. Can you hear me now? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No. Uh, let's see what is happening. Hello everyone who are joining in and now. Thank you, Barnali. Hello. I think there's again some issue with the audio. Can you hear me now? The audio is there.
Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Dot by Ryu, Edwin. Thank you so much for joining in. I think he'll be right back, facing some serious glitch. Okay. I think he's here. I'll just add you, Ankit, in a minute. Hello, Akriti. Hello, Mithilesh. Hello.
Yeah. Is it fine now?
I think so.
Yeah,
Actually,
I could
I
hear you
people
now.
actually क्या होता है ना, I'm live from my mobile. People are just calling me. So I'm getting
Oh,
calls
yeah,
back
maybe
to
because
back.
of that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
because
I'm
of
just
that,
thinking
because
कि
of
मुझे
that.
अपने लैपटॉप से लाइव होना चाहिए था, and everybody just अभी उन्हें कॉल करना है मुझे, all of them are just back of me and calling me. So I'm using
Yeah,
another phone to giving them a reply
okay.
कि please don't call me
Yeah,
now, call me after 30 minutes or so.
yes,
It's just
yes.
all that.
I know, busy guy, I know. So much of
No,
calls, so
no.
much of.
It's not that.
Just kidding, you know. It's just kidding around, yeah. Hello, everyone who are joining in. Thank you so much. Yeah, he's leaving because he's so busy, you know. People are putting up comments. Why is he leaving? You have to answer that. Why are you leaving in between the live?
Tell them not to call me. Hey, Nisha and all that. Just kidding.
Yeah. Guys,
So
please
Bhagwati,
don't
you
give a
tell me
call to Ankit now. He's
now.
quite busy
So you
with
tell
me
me
sometime
about
for the
you
live.
कि
Yeah.
आपका अभी what is your situation like? We all know for one
See,
year.
Ankit, the live is not about me. People know enough of me. We want to know more of Ankit, so we'll focus on Ankit and not on
Yeah,
Bhagyashree.
right.
Yeah. So, tell me about the pageant that you won. कैसा था वो
Yeah.
experience? I mean, walking the ramp, you know, all those things. कैसा था?
So basically, like I told you, Bhagwati, I have been into the fashion world. I like when I
Yeah.
used to watch the movie of fashion of Priyanka Chopra. I
Mm-hmm.
was like, this is my story. That is my story. So all of that
Yeah.
keeps on coming in my head. But when Rubaru and when Mr. and Miss Bengal International 2018,
Yeah.
so I participated
Yeah.
not many, but twice or thrice I participated, and I made sure that I stand a position. So in 2018,
Right.
I participated in Mr. and Miss Bengal International. I was top 5 there. I couldn't win because of,
Yes.
there are many things happens
But
in the
I mean,
backstage.
you made it to the top five. That's a proud moment for all of us, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
hats off to you. Great, great.
And then
So,
when yeah.
yeah. So, अंकित इतना सब कुछ जो चल रहा है या करते आए हो फैमिली के बारे में फैमिली का कंट्रीब्यूशन सपोर्ट कैसा रहा है हमेशा से
Always. Even today, when before my shows, I do a makeup on my face. My mother and father says me, "अरे यहाँ नहीं लगा है, यहाँ पे ठीक से लगाओ." So you understand
Okay.
how you
Yeah.
want to prepare yourself, how family supports you.
Yes.
Like even today, when I go for an event, my mom asks me, "Do you, अरे आज event में खाना खा रहे हो ना? Free का खाना खाओगे ना?" So it's like that. So they all support me to what I do since long. When I've been working for televisions, since then
Yeah.
they have seen my journey, how I evolved from a scratch. Like because I call myself as a self-made man because I had no
Yes, of course.
godfather, neither do I want. But I've always tried to make sure that I don't have to be dependent on anyone. So I just be
Yes.
me.
राइट सो मतलब मम्मा को अवेयर है बेटा सेलिब्रिटी है तो शी इज अवेयर ऑफ योर द
So
सोशल
I
थिंग
don't
एंड ऑल
no, I don't think कि I'm a celebrity also because अभी करने को बहुत बाकी है. I
ऑफ
think like I'm
कोर्स ऑफ
just
कोर्स
10 or 20% of the position which I wanted to. So nothing all that, but yeah, I don't want to be called celebrity, but I want to call a personality that I have a weightage in people knows me. That is the best thing.
Yes.
People मुझे जानते हैं. When I go for events or beauty pageants, if I host in Bengal also,
Yes.
when I go, people just
Yes.
call me, Ankit, you are there. I just only need the love from everybody. That's all
That's true.
is in life, right?
And how have been your friends? I know they are your very old friends. I've seen them from your college days. So अभी कैसा रहता है सबके साथ में when you all come together? कैसा रहता है
सो
माहौल?
बेसिकली क्या है ना कि मेरे जो भी दोस्त बनते हैं वो मेरे लिए रियल होते हैं. मैं पहले समझता हूँ कि ये दोस्ती करने के लायक है. एक्चुअली आई एम वेरी कैलकुलेटिव फॉर दिस.
Okay.
सो व्हेन आई मेक फ्रेंड्स
Okay.
आई थिंक कि वो लाइफ टाइम के लिए हो. एंड आई नेवर मेक फ्रेंड्स कि नहीं आज इसके ये नहीं आज कल वो.
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं है. आई मेक फ्रेंड्स फॉर लाइफ टाइम. सो ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स आर
That's true.
देयर. जो लोग सपोर्ट भी करते हैं, प्यार भी करते हैं. एंड आई ऑल्सो डू अ लॉट फॉर देम.
Right, that's true, and I think that is how you evolve as a person. With
Yeah.
your that old bonds are there always, thick and thin.
Absolutely.
So up now from that young boy to now, stylish MC in India, you are known by people. People know you so well, success, fame, and everything. So कुछ negative भी देखते हो इसमें? कुछ ऐसा है जो तुमको बहुत negative भी मिलता है इसके साथ में? Apart from all these.
देखो जहाँ पॉजिटिविटी होती है वहाँ नेगेटिविटी होती है. एब्सोल्युटली. अच्छा क्या होता है ना कि व्हेन यू आर डू ये दिस इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ द इवेंट इंडस्ट्री व्हिच आई विल टॉक अबाउट स्पेशली दैट when you do events and you are a newcomer, you are new into the industry, and there are people existing already,
Yeah.
they love you, but there are
Yes.
one or two of them who are going to suppress you,
Right.
put you down. There are thousands
Right.
of them who's going to love you, support you, but there are two people who are going to push you down. This is what happens every time. So with me
Yes.
also, there are people who try to say कि अरे ये क्यों कर रहा है, वो क्यों कर रहा है, ये ऐसा है, वैसा है. I was
True.
like, this event industry or any industry is nobody's father. किसी के father की नहीं है, जायदाद
बिल्कुल,
की नहीं
बिल्कुल.
कि आप
True.
suppress
True.
करोगे. So you
True.
do your work, you flourish the way you want to do. The one who's coming, if you cannot support, then keep your mouth shut. That's what I feel.
Right. So how do you keep off them? I mean, खुद से खुद के अराउंड एक बैरियर आप कैसे क्रिएट करते हो ऐसे लोगों से? क्योंकि हर इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे लोग मिलेगा.
I simply work. When I work, that is my answer to them. Honestly, there are people who've been there. In your life also, you must have seen so many ups and downs in people.
Yes.
So I
True.
simply say, I'm gonna give you an answer by just working. And when I work, and when you watch, you will absolutely be shattered.
Right, that's true. I mean, that is how you actually deal with all kind of negative things in your life, and I think that's the only funda that you can deal with. Nothing, कोई लेना देना नहीं है ऐसे लोगों से. बस अपना काम करिए, बैरियर बना के रखिए, that's it, नहीं और free to go. Because लोग चार होंगे जो इनफैक्ट बोलेंगे आपको कि भाई आप ये मत करिए, आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे. So yeah. So अंकित, अब आगे क्या प्लान है और कैसे इवॉल्व कर रहे हो, कैसे और आगे फ्यूचर के लिए सोच रहे हो अपार्ट फ्रॉम डूइंग इवेंट्स एंड ऑल?
Okay.
Can we see sometime you in any web series या movie के बारे में कोई planning चल रही है, ऐसा कुछ है?
Yes.
Okay.
How do you know that?
I don't know. I just thought, I mean, you should go. So I just wanted to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, I've got few offers. Abhi, for few 3-4 months, I was little off from all the works and everything because घर की भी काम चल रही है. I'm getting my home done, which is a secret which I'll reveal in few days with my pictures when things are going to be done. So and apart from that, I got few offers from web series, which there are movies. There's a horror short movie called Dread.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I'm just looking forward कि उसकी क्या plans है, उसकी क्या screen plays है, उसकी क्या shots हैं और सब कुछ I just is on a hold.
So is it like a Hindi web series that we gonna see?
It's a Hindi horror.
Okay. So मतलब हम आपको देखने वाले वेब सीरीज में बहुत जल्द.
हाँ, I think so. Probably this year or maybe next year, early months.
Okay, so guys, this is a news breaking out from inside that we're gonna see Ankit very soon apart from stage on the silver screen. So wish you all the best and make us proud. We are already so proud of you, yaar, and we want to see on the screens and give the CT. I know this banda, I know him.
Oh my God, that's too much, I think.
No, you're doing amazing. You're doing a fabulous work, and I really bless you that you keep on rocking. Just keep on shining because you have been an amazing person, Ankit. Truly. I mean, I did not have so much of contact with you on phone, but I've always seen your growth. I've always commented. I've always liked your post and seen. I've seen you from zero to the top, and I've seen your hard work. So you
Yes.
deserve it.
You
Yes, you
like you
deserve.
already answered. आपसे अच्छा कोई शायद ना जाने. If I barely speak about my journey, but when I do, I do.
Yes,
So जैसे कि
yes,
I joined Taza in
yes.
2015 as intern,
Hmm.
and you have been
Hmm.
already to a position when I was like sitting and watching me and Nisha and other एक दो intern की, oh my god, कितनी अच्छी हिंदी है इनकी, कितनी शुद्ध हिंदी तरीके से वो बोल रही, teleprompter को
Nana.
देख के, and let me tell you कि मेरा क्या
Yeah.
उस वक्त था, आज से 6 साल पहले, एंड आई वाज लाइक भाग्यश्री दी, वाओ क्या टैलेंट इनमें से सीखना है. बहुत सारी चीजें थी विक्रम सर, तो ठीक है. तो हमने फिर इवेंट्स देखे, फिर वहां से सीखा, फिर चैनल्स किए. तो यू नो कि in my journey it's been solely my hard work and
Yes, absolutely.
self work.
Absolutely. And I mean, I've witnessed that, I've seen that. So I can actually say that this guy has really worked hard and I feel so proud. Seriously, and I
और
mean it.
यही मैंने अपने TEDx के स्पीच में भी बताया था, how to break the stereotype and evolve as an
Yes.
eagle, because I symbolize myself as eagle because वो कहते हैं ना कि ईगल जो होती है ना, वो दूर से ही अपने अपने शिकार को देख लेते हैं, उनकी गोल्स
Hmm.
बहुत ही क्लियर होती है. So and
Yes.
and
And,
eagles को भी
and,
कहते हैं
and
ना, they evolve from the ashes.
right. And you have proved it. इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. I think you have proved everything that you have been working and I'm sure कि future में हम और भी बहुत कुछ ऐसा देखेंगे. So there's nothing to. I think you have a lot of questions. Do you want to drink coffee? You want to answer that?
I love coffee. I do love coffee.
Yes.
Uh,
So you can answer, if you
Hi
want to have
Mary.
coffee.
Thank you for asking this question to me. This is amazing. Mitch
And it's
Style
so
is
good.
also there.
अच्छा लगता है जब people, they love you so much. It's so good to see that.
What is this?
All good
Super.
things
I
coming
wanna
around.
boost my skills. Give me your opinion. Okay. भागो दी से अच्छा कोई
Yes.
आपको ओपिनियन नहीं दे सकता.
No, no, no. I am not giving any opinion, yaar. I am just like having super good time talking to you and I feel so good after a long time. And सबसे important thing कि ये जो live मैं कर रही हूँ randomly, it's not something like paid. So guys, let me clear it out. It's nothing related to paid promotion or anything. I'm not promoting this young talent in front of me. It's just been purely the bond that we have shared for long, long time. And I've seen him working so hard, super successful guy, and I always wanted to have him in live. And I know he will not deny, and he will be here, and we'll be
Yes.
talking and chatting, so we'll have some good time. So ये जो लाइव मैं कर रही हूँ अंकित, बहुत बहुत छोटी सी रीजन है इसके पीछे. आई वॉज इन टू कंप्लीट फुल टाइम वर्क. आई एम डूइंग इन टू television and then into digital journalism and all sort of things, which is like the job thing. But कोविड के टाइम पे जब सब कुछ बंद हो गया, सो देयर वर मेनी स्मॉल ब्रांड्स इंक्लूडिंग देयर वर सम स्मॉल ब्रांड्स इन माय रिलेशंस इन माय फैमिली, दोज वर लाइक वर्किंग अप. बट उनके प्रमोशन के लिए उनके बारे में लोगों को पता नहीं होता था. सो आई जस्ट
जी.
स्टार्टेड रैंडमली got into Instagram because I was not too much on Instagram before that. And I just started working up with brands, small local brands, and I'm always into local brands. I started talking to them. I started doing collaborations with them. Their products, started using them, and I started talking about those products. So उससे ये हुआ कि people, started working on those products. They started liking those products. So, through me, I think the small brands were getting thoda help. And apart from that, I was getting to know a lot of people, the small entrepreneurs who are working so hard. And apart from that, I was trying to get hold of personalities who are there, who are, who are there in the sense, not on a world platform I'm talking about, on a very local platform, people are working super good. And I just want them to come here and talk, and I want to listen to them. So that's one of the reasons I wanted you to come here, because you have been working so hard and people know you so well. So you should definitely be here and we should all listen to you, what you want to talk, what you have done and everything about it. So that हम सबसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं. आज आपने
जी.
जो भी बातें बोली, I'm sure मेरे साथ साथ जितने भी लोग लाइव में रहे हैं, they have taken their cue points, कि
Right.
okay, we need to brush up this, we need to work on that. So I think that is a good point.
Thank
So
you.
that is
Thank you
my
कि आपने मुझे ये
objective.
लायक समझा to be in your life, and I'm super happy that I connected with you after a long time.
No. Yes, yes, absolutely. And I feel so proud of you, Ankit, and I
Thank
mean
you.
it genuinely. Genuinely,
Thank
I
you.
want to
Thank
say
you.
that. You
Thank
have
you.
been working amazing, Ankit, and keep that good work doing. We want to see you there, and you are
Sure.
doing fabulous work, I'm sure. And of course, we'll be waiting for all your surprises that you'll be revealing soon to your followers. So we'll be there,
Yes,
we'll be watching, and we'll be waiting for that.
absolutely.
All right. So I think that's it for today's live. Thank you so much. With all those glitches and everything, we managed to, have discuss and have fun. And I hope you have a great, great evening and have a wonderful life ahead. And we'll be there on Instagram and on our social platforms for sure. Thank you so
Absolutely.
much. And we hope we connect again very soon
Right, right.
on
And best
something
wishes
big.
to you and your show.
Thank you so much.
And have a
Thank you.
great, great, great life ahead.
Thank you, and wish you the same. And thank you everybody who has joined in. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
बाय बाय सी यू थैंक
Bye,
यू
guys.
गाइस फॉर
Bye, guys. See
ज्वाइनिंग
you
मुझे
soon.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आप सभी ने
Yes.
मुझे प्यार दिया और उन्हें भी बहुत ही रिस्पेक्ट और प्यार आपको भी सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी हैव अ ग्रेट डे
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
बाय